What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about why I believe, reiterating, why I believe every single person should have, at the very minimum, 10 million Shiba Inu tokens in their portfolio. And again, more likely than not, if you can have 100 million, why not? If a billion, why not? But remember, first and foremost, I do want to mention that I am not a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And of course, I'll be disclosing my full Shiba Inu position during this video because I am a holder of this token. But if you look at the overall cryptocurrency market, today on August 27th, it is rebounding nicely. Bitcoin up about nearly 3%, Ethereum up 4% on the day, Cardano up 14%, and of course you guys know how much I love Cardano. BNB up 1.55%. A lot of crypto assets are up on the day after a really nice dip yesterday. And if you join me on my streams, every so often, I try to do them a few times a week. We bought more Shiba Inu at 680 Satoshis. So right now it's sitting at 745 Satoshi units, and the overall one-day price action is looking good. But if you look at the 7-day, we're actually still down from where we've kind of been consolidating for quite some time. If we look at the month chart, again, we broke resistance and kind of have been holding around 820, 830. But if you look at the 3-month, we've been trading sideways, consolidating right across. So again, in my opinion, guys, the potential for this crypto asset is so massive. We know that SHIBASWAP is live, and that's where I do a lot of my buying and selling, swapping of tokens within the ecosystem and any ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. You guys know I like to disclose my position, of course, and currently I'm holding 550 million Shiba Inu tokens. I'm holding a decent position in Bone and Leash amongst the entire ecosystem, probably sitting somewhere around about $6,000 or $7,000 US equivalents that I'm investing in this crypto asset. And it's for a good reason. In my opinion, this has the potential to really start flying because of some of the obvious catalysts that are on the way. So let's go ahead and talk about those, and we'll talk about catalysts for the overall crypto market that will send it directly to the moon, in my opinion. First and foremost, Webull. We know that Webull is now starting beta testing, a main brokerage across a few different countries, including the United States and other countries in the world. Shiba Inu is going to be listed on their platform. Me, as a beta tester and as an affiliate of Webull's, they allowed me to start buying SHIB for 0 fees. So one of the biggest setbacks right now till Shibarium comes about, which is also a catalyst, we're going to have our own blockchain, so no longer needing the Ethereum blockchain to verify transactions for us. We'll have Shibarium, which is a layer 2 blockchain that will be our own. Until that point, I continue to want to find the cheapest ways to buy Shiba Inu tokens to increase my position. And with Webull, no more worrying about fees. So in my opinion, it's an honest, good way to do it if you're looking for something that is FDIC insured. Again, you don't have to worry about hacks, that kind of thing. Webull might be the place to do it. And the fact is when Webull lists, Robinhood will have their eyes on it. Coinbase will consider relisting sooner, hopefully rather than later, because they've already delayed the listing. So again, these exchange listings are going to hopefully set us apart from a lot of these other crypto assets that are smaller market caps. Now, one thing I also want to mention before I continue is my link below for Webull. So if you click the link in the description below, you get 2 free stocks when you deposit $5 into your Webull brokerage account. And also at the same time, you get the ability to trade Shiba Inu, hopefully as soon as next week. So in my opinion, if you want to establish a bigger position and worried about those $50, $60 Ethereum gas fees, then go ahead, look into Webull. At least go check it out and get your 2 free stocks. And if you like it, stick around and buy your Shiba Inu tokens. Now, so we know layer 2 is coming out. We know some big things are on the development pipeline, including, potentially a video game platform for all of us to start communicating with each other and getting paid to play within our native token. Imagine that, an ecosystem for us outside of just the digital, it's within the digital space, but bringing in that gaming community as a marriage with us as the crypto community. I think that would be an absolute game changer. And we've seen those NFT based gaming platforms and what they've done for different crypto assets, including Axie's up 100, 150, 200x in the last few weeks. So it's been on absolute fire. Now, other things that we need to pay attention to. The crypto analysts are saying that there's a lot of tokens out there that are going to skyrocket. Crypto analysts who called Ethereum to climb to 3,400 reiterates a $10,000 call. We can't overlook these things. If other crypto assets, especially ones that we utilize their blockchain for, like Ethereum, we should also expect some significant price jumps in other crypto assets as well. Sure, people that are coming into the market that are new are going to first adhere to Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, some of the big top 10 altcoins, right? That are easily accessed on Coinbase and other brokerages that are more easily accessible. not really utilizing swaps. But now, next thing they look at is what are some with more potential upside, maybe that are up 30-40%, that have the potential to go up hundreds of percentage points to maybe get up to a market cap similar to those of the top 10 crypto assets that have a strong community backing. That, of course, is Shiba Inu. So simply put, I think that people always enter into the space by looking at bigger crypto assets and they slowly diversify. And the fact that we're going to be listed on some major exchanges, folks, we should start to pay attention and look forward to the fact that Shiba Inu will be listed on those main brokerages and new investors will be coming in. Aside from the fact that we already have 645,000 holders, the sky is not the limit, guys. It is only the beginning. Now, also companies with the most Bitcoin on their balance sheets. This was actually published today as of this morning. We need to also pay attention to this. Fortune 500 companies. MicroStrategy has 108,000 Bitcoins. Tesla with 42,000. Galaxy Digital with 16,400. Voyager Digital with 12,200. And of course, Square, SQ, one of my favorite companies, founder Jack Dorsey, also the founder of Twitter. He's very, very bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum, holding 8,000 on their portfolio and part of their balance sheet. So companies that are within the Fortune 500 and companies with a lot more buying power, right? Institutional investors, if you will, they haven't really been in the space quite yet. These are the top 5 holders. And imagine now when Apple comes into the space, when Amazon comes into the space, and I'm talking Microsoft, those big behemoths, Google, when they start entering and diversifying their balance sheets and buying into the space, guys, you know exactly where we're going to be headed. The buying pressure is going to be on. The retail investors are going to want to join on board. So every single one of us that have been investing in cryptocurrencies between the beginning of time, when crypto became a thing back in the late 2000s, early 2010s or so, when Bitcoin became a thing, for those of you who've been investing since then, this is still very, very, very early in my opinion. And of course, do your own research and due diligence to identify whether or not you believe in the space, because when it dips, instead of buying the dip, you end up selling. But in my opinion, when the dip comes, that's when I continue to pounce and increase my position size and all the crypto assets that I truly believe in. Because when they're on sale, that's when I buy. When I see them up, I just ride the wave and watch those gains come into the wallet. Lastly, countries. Right? So we talked about institutions and countries. Cuba is to start recognizing and regulating cryptocurrencies. So again, they're looking to figure out a way to continue to adopt, and country by country. Look at El Salvador, right? Accepting Bitcoin as a legal tender for payment in their country. Slowly but surely, these smaller countries will join on board, bigger countries will join on board, and then the first world countries, I'm talking the US, Europe, bigger countries will join on this boat. And again, you guys know exactly where we'll be headed from there. Directly to the moon. I appreciate everybody's love and support. If you haven't already, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel and join us on this journey. It's been fantastic so far. I've really been enjoying it, but let's see where we go. I think again, the sky is not the limit. It is only the beginning. Up 7% on the day. Maybe could wait for a cool off, but again, DCA, dollar cost average in, instead of putting all your money all at once. Identify different price points. And if you want to join me on those daily videos that I upload, I talk about when I think a good buying opportunity is, like yesterday at 680, we're already up over 14% since last night. So gotta love it. Thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. And until next time, everyone from the SHIB Army, keep investing. Peace.